I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select FluentCRM for action. Click Connect to FluentCRM for authorization. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Here select the action as you want. Choose the tag and which tags you want to associate with the user. Map the email field and click Next. Now save the integrations. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Go to FluentCRM and check the tag is associated with list contact or not. You see the tag is associated with a list of contact. Thanks for watching.